So hypnosis can help with insomnia and sleep issues for 3 reasons. As I said, using the principle of fractionation, we can go into a state of trance, out of a state of trance, and then back into a state of trance. And that improves our ability to wake up and then relax again right away. It also involves deep levels of relaxation, and the more we relax, the easier it becomes to relax, because the emotional part of the brain is going to start to shrink in size. We're going to become less prone to emotional reactions. We're going to have improved emotional regulation. And finally, because it can allow us to visualize ourselves differently, and that's going to create new pathways in the brain. So, a question: who wants to try some hypnosis? Let me know in the chat box if you want to try some hypnosis.
Mark has helped thousands of people to overcome issues such as anxiety, trauma, chronic pain, and addiction. If you'd like to discover how Mark can help you too, visit anxietyhypnotherapist.org at the link below to schedule your free 20-minute call.